In some cases, if you follow the no contact rule, she'll want you back, right? But after watching this video, that may be the last thing you'll actually want. Hard to believe? Counterintuitive? Stay tuned to find out why it isn't. Why do we say what Doc learned from women is now taught to you? Because in Doc's lifetime, he interviewed thousands of women with this simple question: why do you choose to stay with one man versus another? That powerful question and the even more powerful answers he got back thousands of times allowed him to craft the definitive book on dating and relationships, The System/Dating Dictionary, which has changed thousands of lives around the world, and we give you bits of that wisdom each week on this channel. In a little bit, I've got an actual chapter from the book related to this topic. In fact, it's called Back You Can't Go, and it will really supercharge what you're about to learn in Doc's top 3 ways to make the no contact rule stick. Beginning with 1, let's get the elephant in the room out of the way. And this is the most important thing to keep in mind if you're tempted to drunk dial her or tipsy text her. She planned this breakup for weeks or even months. Women, according to Doc, do not do anything by accident in dating. They're more strategic than a world-class chess player, so knowing she carefully planned the demise of your relationship should inspire you to lock your device up and go full no contact before you do something dumb with your smartphone. Number 2, Doc's famous line, uttered tens of thousands of times on his radio show, writings, and by actual students, was one chance per woman per lifetime. Here's why. Interest level, a term Doc originated, is expressed in percentages. 100% and she's madly in love. Anything below 50% and you're out forever. If you want to believe the bad Hollywood rom-coms, it's always possible to rekindle love. If you want to believe the man that's interviewed thousands of women, however, then you understand once her feelings dip, you will never get them back, not in the way you want anyway. Move on, because according to Doc, you're either first with women or you're last. No in between. Number 3, here's the toughest one. As stated, she carefully planned the end of your relationship way before dropping you out the window, and she'll never have high interest level again. But she went out there, and after a series of bad dates/failed relationships, finally decided she was better off with you. Oh, how lucky for you. That doesn't mean she's in love with you. You're just the least worst choice in a sea full of bad options for her. Remember, one chance per woman per lifetime. Keep that rule in mind, because allowing her to come back will only cause you to be with a woman that couldn't, in her perception, find anything better than you, even though she tried numerous times to replace you, not caring whether you were heartbroken or not, and finally came back when she felt she was out of options and thought you were a better choice than binge watching another series. Don't you deserve to have a woman that thinks you're the greatest? If you think you're no better than gum under your ex's shoe, then certainly break the no contact rule and let her back in so she can mistreat you some more. A free chapter to reinforce all this is coming up. It will really inspire you to go full no contact. But before we get to that, check out the real testimonials from actual guys that found their ladies thanks to the wisdom of the System/Dating Dictionary that comes from interviews with women distilled through Doc's own common sense. You can read them on the link in the description below. Plus, we'll have a discount for you later on for the book that's changed thousands of lives around the world. But first, here's a free chapter from that book. Back You Can't Go, directly from the System/Dating Dictionary. You'll hear me reading it, but know that it was 100% Doc. Back You Can't Go. Second time around, shame on me. Don't repeat yourself or your mistakes. The less she knows, the longer you last. Tom broke up with Caprice. They missed each other. After 2 weeks, they bumped into each other at the library. They ended up talking for a couple of hours about all the good times, not the bad times that caused the breakup. Caprice convinced Tom to give it another shot. You may watch a soap opera or read an article about a couple remarrying or reuniting after she almost killed the guy, all being forgotten. It might work on TV or the big screen, but it doesn't work on the street. They had their time together, and to go back is to go back to all of the issues that turned them off to begin with. Reasons that still exist. It's just a waste of energy and time to beat the proverbial dead horse. You always hear about the one Hollywood couple who is so happy the second time around. You never hear about the million other real-life couples who also tried to remake it, but only ended up where they started, hating each other. Just think of the girls those guys might have met if they had clean slates. The reality factor says that when you go back to a dirty slate. You can't go back because there is only one now and the future. What's done is done. Men who believe that with enough time a woman will see the light still believe in tooth fairies and that you can go back. Remember, you can't go back because 1. She will get rid of you again. 2. She hasn't changed. 3. She is going to hurt you some more. Get it, hardhead? Hopefully now you'll go full no contact with Ms. Wrong and get the lady you deserve. Be sure to check out the book that's changed thousands of lives around the world, The System/Dating Dictionary, and you can take 10% off since you were smart enough to watch this video. By the way, if you aren't quite ready to buy, why don't you check out the other free goodies below, such as entering the contest for a chance to win The System/Dating Dictionary and also other books from Doc. Monthly winners get nearly $500 of Doc's best materials. So, do you feel inspired to go full no contact now? Do you agree or disagree with Doc's coaching? Did this video help you? Let us know by leaving a comment down below. We want to hear what you think. Your comments will help inspire us to create more videos for you, so chime in. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and share it. Until next time.